the importance of microminerals, sheep and goat nutrition. The role of selenium is always discussed along with the vitamin E, because the selenium as well as vitamin E both have the antioxidant property. They protect the tissues from oxidation and the breakdown of cell membranes. Selenium is essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. So in the reproduction, the role of selenium are the enzymes which are related with the selenium. So almost all have antioxidant property, these antioxidant property. And very importantly, the sperm mitochondrial capsule selenoprotein. The sperm mitochondrial capsule is important for male fertility, and it exerts its effects at the mitochondrial level. So that is how at the molecular level, the selenium has a role in, especially in male fertility. The selenium supplementation with zinc and cobalt in rams, it has improved the sperm motility as per Kandal. And gestation sheep treated orally with selenium at monthly interval had greater lambing rates. And McDowell has observed that grazing sheep in pasture treated with selenium increased the conception rate from 49 to 76%. A significant increase in the conception rate. They are involved in the prostaglandin synthesis. Parenteral or intramuscular selenium administration has shown the increments in pasteurization rates in sheep. And in one of the study, it has been shown that selenium and vitamin E increases the percentage of use in estrus prolificacy in merino sheep, but the gestation and lambing rates did not change. But we cannot come to a conclusion that the supplementation of selenium and vitamin E will always, the pregnant ewes will respond with a good result. In 2005, there was one research where an intramuscular injection of 0.31 milligram of selenium and 4.2 international unit of vitamin E, it has increased the concentration of selenium in blood, and the reproductive responses to treatment was only the survivability of the kids was observed at weaning, and the white muzzle disease was prevented. The observations, it has the estrus response as well as lambing rate was significant. You can see the star mark. The estrus response and the lambing rate was significant if they are supplied with the sodium selenate injection. These are some of the observation, but the pregnancy and prolificacy was not the pregnancy. There was no change in the pregnancy, but the estrus response, lambing rate, prolificacy was significantly increased with the injection of sodium selenate. Symptoms of selenium deficiency. The very important symptom is white muzzle disease in lambs. It is also known as stiff lamb disease. You can see the photo here. It affects the muscles of lamb's leg, which leads to difficult to stand. The white muzzle disease can last up to 6 months in lambs and results in poor condition and performance. There will be a ill thrift, expected growth cannot be seen, and poor reproductive performances with the deficiency of selenium. Early embryonic death is seen in 3 to 4 weeks after conception, so resulting in a higher incidences of barren ewes. In males, deficiency can lead to poor fertility. Selenium level required. A marginal risk of selenium deficiency in sheep is posed when the diet provides 0.025 to 0.05 milligrams of selenium per kg dry matter. A level of selenium will depend on the plant species. The rye grasses are having more selenium than clovers. So the diagnosis, blood sampling or the pasture and soil analysis, with these samples, we can diagnose the selenium deficiency. Supplementation of selenium. The oral drenching of selenium, it can be taken, and this rumen boluses can last for 6 months. The injections of selenium can last up to 1 year. The pasture application, another way of supplementation, it is may result in toxic level for several weeks. So it is not a safe method. But during these up to 1 month, should not allow the animals for grazing. After that, you can allow them for the grazing. The field level of application of selenium. Selenium in the diet is absorbed reasonably efficiently at between 35 to 85%, with the majority being observed in the duodenum. The excess selenium, which is toxic to sheep, the selenium should only be supplemented if required. However, the selenium toxicity in sheep are relatively uncommon. Commonly, we cannot see we are not seeing the selenium toxicity, but the symptoms of the poisoning include colic, diarrhea, and you can see collapsing. So the ultimately it may lead to the mortality. It's very rarely you can see the selenium toxicity.